You know, you broke your heart, it left you, it lied to you. Before you think of crying yourself to sleep, I need you to listen to this. This is not the time to fall apart. This is the time to rise. I'm going to show you what to do when it breaks your heart. Not to get back at him, but to get back at you. Because the best revenge is no revenge at all. It is that silent glow up. It is that peace within yourself. And it is moving on without looking back. Yeah, cry all you want, shout all you want. I mean, you're a human, we are all human and we experience pain. What I do not want you to do is to stay in that dark spot forever because it's your heart that was broken, not your future. Let yourself feel, but don't let that feeling define your identity. Instead of trying to test him, oh, you did this to me after being loyal to you, after everything we've been through, after everything I've done for you, you did this to me. No, don't do that. You're gonna embarrass yourself. So a quick tip for you is instead of testing him, I want you to start journaling those things. Write it. It's gonna help you heal faster. Instead of trying to get back at him, oh, you do this, you did that, just journal your emotions. I want you to shift the focus from him to you. Instead of asking the question, why did he do this to me? Do I even deserve this? I don't deserve this. Why would he do this to me? Ask yourself, what is this pain trying to teach me? What can I achieve through this pain? You know, pain is actually like a fuel. Like, don't worry, I'm gonna make another video on how you can use pain to achieve things because pain can drive you to achieve your goals even faster. But that's not what we are talking about today. But ask yourself, instead of asking all those, why did you do this to me? Do I even deserve this? Am I not beautiful enough? Am I not loyal? Am I not doing the right thing? Ask yourself, what can I achieve from all of this? What is this lesson trying to teach me? Try your best to shift the focus from him to you. You're too powerful to focus on him. Focus on yourself, girl. Focus on yourself. Build a new version of yourself. In fact, this is a new era in life, and in this era, you're not just gonna sit there and wallow in self-pity, but what you want to do is try to reinvent your life. Those long skills that you've abandoned because of him, those things you stopped doing because you guys started dating, those, a lot of us, okay, because I say this from experience, tend to sometimes drop those important things we're doing just to focus on one person, but it's not supposed to be so. So this is the time for you to reinvent yourself. Start doing things, even learn a new skill, okay, even if you don't want to go back to those old skills. Discover a new skill, discover a new thing, do the things you love, start the gym, then like just reinvent your life. This is the time to be passionate about your rebrand. Okay, stop trying to focus on how to get back at him and focus on your glow up. Focus on how to reinvent your life. Focus on how to get your shit together. Okay, sorry I use that word, but you just have to get it together. Try focus on your rebrand and go all out on it. Okay, this is the time to lock in. Now, the next thing I want you to do is to heal, but don't seek revenge. Just let it go. Heal, try to heal within yourself. Don't try to seek revenge. Stop trying to stalk him. Stop stalking his social media page. Stop trying to get back at him. Stop wishing that karma would hit him or something bad would happen to him. You know, we tend to do all these things every time. Oh, because you guys, this person broke your heart, you something bad will happen to him or is gonna suffer for leaving you. Life does not really work like that, okay? It doesn't work like that, and all of those things would not help you heal. In fact, it's going to hurt you more, especially when you want the person to suffer and you see the person keeps glowing. So it doesn't really work like that. Because it broke your heart does not mean it's going to suffer. I'm being very honest with you right now. All right, so focus on your glow up, try to heal, try to focus on what brings you peace. Try to heal within yourself. Try to reinvent your life. Because when you heal, you no longer care about the person that hurts you. You know, when you grow, you no longer care about those who doubt you or who thought, just heal, okay? Just focus on healing. I want you to read books, invest in books, meditate. I want you to pray. Do not underestimate the place of prayer, okay? So I want you to pray, especially if you're a Christian or Muslim or whatever you believe in. I want you to pray, all right? Prayer, prayer is the key, guys. Prayer is the key. So pray, meditate, stop stalking him, stay off the social media handles, alright? So you can get your peace, or your peace of mind. Stop stalking him. Don't let a broken heart convince you that you don't have value or you're not worthy of love and all of that. Okay, you are full of love, you're worthy of love, you're deserving of love. Okay, so don't let that break you. All right, in fact, let it be a fuel for you to do better, glow up, let your future self thank you for it. All right, I want you to invest in yourself. I want you to be so passionate about your rebrand, because now I want you to learn a skill. Okay, this is gonna help you keep you engaged and take away every form of distraction. All right, there's so many skill out there that you can learn that's going to give you money, that's going to fetch you money. We have digital marketing, we have content creation, we have forest trading, we have there are a lot of things on the internet. All right, I need you to go out there and search for the things that you know you would love and go all out in it. That's something that will bring you money. Okay, it's not just being passionate about that thing, but let it be something that can as well put money in your hand. All right, now if you want to start copy trading, you can meet me. You can either send me a DM on IG. You're gonna find the link to my IG handle on my profile, so just check my profile. You're gonna find the link to my IG handle, or you can just write interested in copy trading on the comments, and I'm going to reach out to you or send you like a WhatsApp number for you to DM. All right, or maybe I'm gonna just write my WhatsApp number in the description. Let's see how it goes. But if I don't, just write copy trading and I'm gonna send you my number. All right, now if you also want to do digital marketing, this is something that can as well give you money. So a lot of persons in my community, they've made so much money from digital marketing, okay, just by selling products to different person. They also make money from affiliate marketing by promoting other person's product. Now if this is what you want to do to distract you, to keep you engaged, and also like just for you to make money, like make money for yourself as a lady, to be independent, then I want you to drop a comment saying that you're interested in digital marketing or affiliate marketing, as the case may be. All right, so I want you to work on your rebrand. Do not let the breakup break you, okay? You're deserving of so much love. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you are encouraged from this video. I really wish you the best, and I'm right here rooting for you. All right, so if you want to connect with me, you're gonna find the link to my IG on my YouTube bio. So just try, you're gonna see the link, or I'll try my best to put it down in the description. Okay, so you can connect with me. All right, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of seeing this beauty. Thank you so much. Bye guys.